Looking for a cordless hedge trimmer that makes maintaining your garden effortless and precise? Or have you been frustrated with corded hedge trimmers that leave your arms sore and your garden messy? Modern cordless hedge trimmers are lighter, more powerful, and longer lasting than ever. If you're tackling small garden hedges, the right trimmer can save your time and frustration while giving your greenery a professional finish. But with so many models claiming to be the best, how do you pick the perfect one? That's why we're breaking down the top 5 best cordless hedge trimmers on the market right now to help you find your perfect match. Let's get into it. Remember to check the links in the description to find the best deals on all the models we cover. The 5th product on our list is BLACK+DECKER LHT2220. If you're seeking the best budget-friendly cordless hedge trimmer, the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max can be a perfect option. Combining power, comfort, and affordability, it's designed to make hedge trimming fast, smooth, and effortless. What makes this trimmer stand out is its 22-inch dual-action steel blades, which deliver precise, clean cuts with 40% less vibration compared to single-action models. You'll love how easily it slices through branches, up to 3/4 inch thick, making it perfect for maintaining shrubs, bushes, and hedges around your yard. It's powered by a 20V max lithium-ion battery. This hedge trimmer offers reliable performance and trims up to 3,000 square feet of hedges per charge. That means less stopping, more trimming, and a lot more done in less time. Also, the included battery and charger make it a ready-to-use package right out of the box. Comfort is a big win here too. The wraparound front handle and soft grip design provide excellent control and reduce hand fatigue, whether you're trimming vertically or horizontally. At just 5.7 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to maneuver, even during longer sessions. As part of the 20V Max system, you can use the same battery with other BLACK+DECKER tools, making it a smart and cost-effective addition to your collection. This smart product is backed by a 2-year limited warranty. You're getting excellent value and peace of mind. If you want a reliable, lightweight, and affordable cordless hedge trimmer, the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max is your perfect match for getting the power, precision, and convenience without stretching your budget. The 4th place on our list is Worx WG261. The Worx WG261 22-inch 20V cordless hedge trimmer is one of the most versatile, lightweight, and feature-packed hedge trimmers you can get. It's made to make your trimming tasks faster, easier, and more comfortable. It delivers the perfect balance of power and precision for homeowners and garden lovers. With a 22-inch dual-action blade, you get smooth, clean cuts every time, perfect for shaping flat tops, trimming long sides, and even rounding corners with ease. Its 3/4 inch blade gap tackles thicker branches effortlessly, while the dual cutting action ensures a trim that's twice as clean and twice as fast. You'll love how lightweight and comfortable it feels at just 5.5 pounds, making it easy to handle for longer trimming sessions without fatigue. The D-grip ergonomic handle lets you hold it from any angle, giving you complete control whether you're trimming high tops, low undergrowth, or tight edges around your garden. Moreover, this trimmer is powered by the 20V PowerShare battery system. This hedge trimmer not only comes with a battery and charger, but also works with 75+ Worx tools, making it an incredibly versatile and cost-effective choice. And the overmolded grips are designed to absorb vibration, so you get smoother performance and less strain on your hands. And since it's cordless, you can enjoy total freedom of movement. No cords, no hassle, just pure trimming power. If you're looking for a lightweight, powerful, and easy-to-use cordless hedge trimmer, the Worx WG261 is a fantastic choice. It's built for efficiency, comfort, and clean results every time. The 3rd product on our list is the EGO POWER HT2410. If you're looking for the best feature-packed cordless hedge trimmer, the EGO POWER 24-inch hedge trimmer is a real game-changer. It is equipped for power, precision, and performance. This tool is designed to handle even the toughest trimming jobs with ease. What makes it stand out is its 1-inch cutting capacity, making it the world's first cordless hedge trimmer to handle thick branches effortlessly. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor, It delivers more torque, longer runtime, and lighter handling, giving you professional-level results without the bulk. This trimmer comes with 24-inch dual-action, hardened steel blades. It delivers precise, clean, and smooth cuts every time. With up to 3,000 strokes per minute, this trimmer gets the job done faster, whether you're shaping hedges, trimming shrubs, or tackling overgrown branches. You'll also appreciate the electric brake, which stops the blades instantly for better control and safety during operation. Moreover, the fully serviceable blades make maintenance quick and easy, so your trimmer stays sharp and ready for years to come. Compatible with all EGO Power plus ARC lithium batteries sold separately, this trimmer fits seamlessly into the EGO ecosystem, giving you power beyond belief with one battery for multiple tools. If you want a high-performance hedge trimmer that's powerful, efficient, and packed with premium features, the EGO Power plus 24-inch hedge trimmer could be the perfect choice for you. The second product on our list is the Stihl HSA 26. If you're looking for the best premium cordless hedge trimmer, the Stihl HSA 26 is in a league of its own. It's built for precision, comfort, and professional results. It's perfect for gardeners who demand clean cuts and effortless handling. What makes the HSA 26 so special is its innovative steel blade geometry and double-sided cutting blades, which give you precise, clean trims every time. Whether you're shaping small evergreen hedges or pruning delicate ornamental plants up to 8 millimeters thick. With its incredible speed and high-performance cutting, you'll get professional results faster and more efficiently. You'll love the lightweight, ergonomic design with rubberized grips that reduce vibration and minimize hand fatigue. The HSA 26 feels perfectly balanced in your hands, giving you control and comfort for extended trimming sessions. Its compact size makes maneuvering around shrubs, porches, and flower beds effortless, while the tool-free blade change keeps maintenance simple. The trimmer comes with an LED battery indicator, so you always know how much power you have left, and the long run times ensure you can get more done on a single charge. And it's part of the Stihl AS battery-powered system, giving you a premium, cordless gardening experience without the hassle of cords or gas. If you want a luxury, high-performance hedge trimmer that combines speed, precision, and comfort, the Stihl HSA 26 is the ultimate choice. It's built for discerning gardeners who want professional-level trimming at home. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product name is the Greenworks HT40B02. The Greenworks 40-volt 24-inch cordless hedge trimmer is one of the best overall hedge trimmers you can get your hands on. It's designed to deliver professional-grade trimming. It's perfect for homeowners and landscaping enthusiasts who want precision, power, and comfort, all without the hassle of cords or gas. This trimmer is equipped with 24-inch dual-action steel blades. This trimmer gives you smooth, clean, and effortless cuts every time. With a 1-inch cutting capacity, you can easily tackle thick branches and shape your hedges like a pro. The 40-volt lithium-ion battery, sold separately, ensures fade-free power and long-lasting performance, so you can get the job done without interruptions. You'll love how comfortable it feels in your hands, thanks to its ergonomic rotating rear handle and 3-sided wraparound auxiliary grip, perfect for trimming at multiple angles without straining your wrists. Also, the cushioned overmold handle gives you better control for longer, more complex jobs. Since it's cordless and eco-friendly, you can enjoy quiet operation without dealing with gas, oil, or tangled cords. It's also part of the Greenworks 40-volt battery ecosystem, making it a versatile choice if you already own other Greenworks tools. And with a 3-year tool and battery warranty, your investment is well protected. Looking for the best overall cordless hedge trimmer that's powerful, precise, and easy to handle? This Greenworks model could be the smartest upgrade for keeping your yard perfectly manicured. That's all for our list of the top 5 best cordless hedge trimmers on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.